Okay, this video is to um, show that you don't necessarily need to create um, blocks for particular items. This is a toilet made by Kohler, and um, a lot of products are done like this because they know architects and interior designers will need to put these in plans, and so they have CAD designers that will automatically draw these up. And if you scroll down, you'll go down to specifications, and there is product specification sheets that you'll might need for submitting plans, um, especially like plumbing plans and stuff like that. Make sure you have a certain amount of water that goes into your um, or water usage that you're using. But here's a DWG file right here. So you just click on that, and you'll download the file. So I'm going to download that to the desktop. Let me open it up. And there it is. That's an actual 3-dimension. So you might not need a 3-dimensional one, but let's see if there's another one. There's also the SketchUp file. There's other different ones. I think that's a Revit file. Let's see this one. That's also in 3-dimension. Okay, so this was a bad example, but if you could find a 2-dimensional one, then go for it. But there you have it. That's how you can download stuff like this and not have to create content like or blocks like that. So here's, go to view, and you can change it to, there you go. But I think this will be way too confusing. Try and find the 2-dimensional one. The 3-dimensional ones are just too confusing. That's it.